Decorah, Iowa, where we put in with a canoe and we're now floating underneath the scenic river road. We're looking for a peaceful and cool day floating down this beautiful river. Join us and see what interesting things we find. Ahead of us, you can see the northeastern Iowa mountains. Not what you would expect from Iowa, huh? As we approach our first set of rapids, I'll tell you about the debate Storm and I had before we took this canoe trip. I was leaning heavily on the side of floating down the river in a tube, while Storm felt like that would be a very, very cold thing to do. So let's test his theory and see, would we have been better off in the water or in the canoe? I gotta tell you, as much as I like the water, I'm not sure I could have stood that cold water for 4 hours.
Big difference between cool and cold things to do.
My toes are frozen, and now we're going in the rapids. Time to get back in the boat. Just don't get the whole picture. And I wish I had my big camera, because back there behind us, we just passed little baby herons coming out of the nest. It was the coolest thing. I'm sorry I couldn't share it with you, but I'll tell you about it. And next time you're canoeing on this river, maybe you'll see one too.